Oh, Canada, how you never cease to amaze me with all your Karens and your Kristas and your Clickies. Hey, welcome back there, Playmobil Pals. Hope everyone's having a great day. I am very excited to bring this to you. We got a package in the mail from a new friend from Canada, and her name is Krista. Thank you, Krista. It was a pleasure meeting you, and, well, I guess virtually meeting you because we met on Facebook. I got this in the mail yesterday, yesterday being the 3rd of July, 2025, and I'm just really excited to pry this open. Now, if everybody who is an avid viewer of this channel knows that every time I get a package from Canada, it's sealed crazy tight, and so we're gonna see just how good this package is sealed today, because I am eager to check these figures out and to add them to my collection here. So yeah, this is already pretty good. So there's no unwrapping this. I'm gonna have to use the scissors. Let's see what I got. I think I know what I got, but you never know here. Oh, nice. Everything's wrapped in big bubble wrap. Krista, you got me a third figure. Oh my gosh. So guys, the story about this is, we have a friend. I have a friend. Well, I guess she's your friend too. She's my friend. Her name is Krista, and we met each other on the Facebook collectors group on Facebook. And she posted a picture celebrating the fact that she has all of Series 2 Everdreamerz figures, which are really nice. But she had some extras, and so I was interested in potentially purchasing them from her. And she had posted another photo that accidentally got her banned from the group. And she asked me about it the next day, and I decided to reach out to an administrator for her and find out what was going on. So when I explained the situation to her, he realized his mistake and asked me to let her know that, you know, obviously it was a mistake, and to get her to join the group again. So I let her know, and as a reward, she was gracious enough to send me these figures. I am extremely fortunate, very blessed, and very happy to add. I don't know who these are. I don't know their names, but I'm really excited to have them in my collection. Now, the thing is, I was not expecting the third figure. I am still smiling from ear to ear. I was not expecting to get Mr. Toothache. This is Mr. Toothache, guys, and with all good reason. As you can see, he's got this pink little circle on his cheek, representing the location of his pain, the source of his pain and misery right now. And then also the pajamas, the pink pajamas, have a little tooth graphic kind of all over the pajamas here, with stress marks above them to represent the actual toothache that he is experiencing, poor guy. He has green skin with blue hair, which I really dig. I just absolutely love the vibrancy of the colors that they went with. And on top of his hair, his head rather, he's got a white bandage, which would otherwise be used to apply pressure to the jaw to help alleviate the pain. But I really dig the mismatched blue and yellow, and how they're kind of mixed up as we go from top to bottom of his clothes there. Really dig this figure. I'm so happy to have him. He too has a nice assortment of accessories, which we're going to check out right now. Accessories do include a pillow, a bar of some kind in a wrapper. It could be chocolate like this one, could be an ice cream bar, a donut there on the top right, and then the toothbrush. 5 main characters. So all Everdreamerz figures come with a collector's card and a little sheet of stickers. The cards do not have a bio. I kind of wish they did have a bio, considering this was an exclusive, separate series, the Everdreamerz were, and it would be kind of nice to have a little backstory of each of our characters here. And here we have Miss Gumball. Is it Miss Gumball? It's Miss Bubblegum. I kind of like Gumball. It just fits better, I think. But anyway, she is dressed in a tennis outfit. She's got the little tennis skirt and the little sun visor hat there, and they are both decorated with little gumball patterns on them. The color choices that they used actually do remind me of gum, at least the pink and the purple, not so much the blue. The blue hair is very unique. I think this is probably the only figure that has that shade of blue for her hair. And she also has the little pink ribbon on the back there. Mrs. Bubblegum's accessories include the tennis racket and 4 tennis balls and 2 pink ones. Here's a little blue bag with which she can carry the tennis racket if she doesn't want to hold it, but also the tennis balls. Here's her charm. But my favorite accessory of hers is this gumball machine. For the gumball machine and the little bag is another sheet of stickers for each of those 2 items. Here's Miss Bubblegum's card and stickers, or I'm sorry, Mrs. Bubblegum's card and stickers. I guess she's married. And here we have the ice cream cone lady. I don't know her name offhand, but I'm going to get it eventually. We're going to take a look at her cards real quick. Oh, okay, so it's Mrs. Ice Clown, which is not I don't know. I would have gone with Mrs. Ice Cream or Mrs. Snow Cone or something. Although snow cones are totally not ice cream, but either way, Mrs. Ice Clown was not the name I would have chosen. It's definitely not one I can remember too well, just thinking about it now. But I do like the little graphic on her card, and the stickers are pretty nice too. I really like the dunce cap that is made out of an ice cream cone there. Pretty slick. She has a light purple hair color. She's got alternating colors throughout the outfit, kind of like Mr. Toothache did. But I really like this argyle print on this one side here, and then the solid pink on the other side. And then I really dig the ice cream cone design with the 3 flavors right there in the middle of her chest there. And then if you notice, there's ice cream dripping off of her arms, and then off the little skirt there, and then off her boots. And that's a really nice touch. I really love how they designed these Everdreamerz figures. I almost forgot, I didn't go over the accessories for Mrs. Icecap.
Pardon me, that's not my name.
I almost forgot, I didn't go over the accessories for Mrs. Snowglobe.
Excuse me, wrong again.
I almost forgot, I didn't go over the accessories for Mrs. Ice Cream Lady.
Really, dude? Really?
I almost forgot I didn't go over the accessories. Haha.
Nice save.
Mrs. Ice Clown's accessories include a ice cream cone, a bowl of ice cream, an ice cream scoop, 2 blue ice cream bars, and 2 pink ones as well. And let's not forget about her charm. Well, guys, I gotta say that these are probably 3 of my favorite Klickys right now. I do really like Mr. Toothache. I don't know, it's just the colors that they chose for him. It really stands out, and it just makes me happy. It just has that vibrant, cheery look, even though I know he's feeling misery and pain right now. They're all really nice, and they just brighten the mood a bit in their own little way. And that is it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. And don't forget you can follow us on Instagram for more Playmobil adventures. Check us out at playmo.af. We got more great content coming up, guys, so stay tuned. Until then, thanks a lot for watching. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you right here at Playmo AF. Bye-bye.